It's Coach Jarrell here with the Shop Fitness YouTube channel. We're going to be working on uppercuts today. Okay, we're going to start with the right hand first, and then we'll move to the other side so you can see it, and then we'll do it with the other hand, the left hand. So, first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that your stance is proper so you have a good fighting stance. Hands are up, elbows in, chin is down. You're going to slightly bend those knees. First thing that I'm going to do with this uppercut, I'm going to rotate my right hand down. Okay, I'm going to rotate it in nice and tight. My elbow stays into my side. Hand comes here. I'm going to rotate my body, drive forward, and connect with that target. Come down, drive forward, connect, and I give a little push at the end once I make that connection. Okay, so one time, a little bit faster. Rotate up, hand is up to protect your face, and then one time fast. Okay, make sure you breathe when you throw these strikes. If you don't breathe, you will not get speed, which means you will not have power. Okay, so we'll do the other side just so you can see it. Hands are up, rotate down, chin is down, shoulders up. I drive forward, connect with that target, and bring it back. One time fast. Okay, and then hands come right back up to defend yourself. Now the trick with these uppercuts, this is a close range attack. If you're far away and you try to do this from a far distance, your face is exposed, you're gonna get hit. So you wanna stay in nice and close, making sure that you're protected as much as you possibly can be. Because your hand is down, it leaves you exposed. So let us know in that comment section, is this something that you would even try? Is it something worth doing? Now, when would you do this? Would you do it from far away? Would you do it from close range? It could still work from far away, but remember, it's really risky. Up close, it's really effective because you're in nice and tight. You can get a lot of uppercuts in, but you have to make sure that you keep those hands up and disengaged. So let us know what you think. Now, the left hand. With that left hand, I have my hands up. This one's a little bit different. I'm gonna go from a side angle instead of a front. So I bring my hand up, I rotate, this hand comes out here, and when I rotate my body, turning my hips, I'm gonna step forward this time. Turn, uppercut comes in nice and tight, give it that little push. It's at a sideways angle. Okay, so my hands are up, a little bit faster. Okay, and then one time, full speed. Okay, we'll do it on the other side so that you can see it. One time slow, one time fast. Hands are up, rotate that body, make sure you pivot those toes. Hand stays up for protection. Bring that arm down, elbows in tight. Step forward, rotate. Okay, and one time fast. All right, those are your uppercuts. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are you recording?